Your mom's mom or your dad's?
My mom's. Dad's died a long time ago.
Are your folks still together?
Divorced 3 years. Married for 32.
That's a shame. So your mom...
She moved back to Texas. Dad stayed in Miami. He moved us all there, gosh, maybe 20 years ago.
Brothers? Sisters?
2 older brothers. One's a doctor in London, the other is in San Diego.
Does your dad still work?
No, recently retired. Too much time on his hands. Lots of phone calls.
So all that time...
Work times.
So all that work time has been filled...
With worry time.
Does he have any reason to worry about you?
Does he have reason to worry about it?
Does he have reason to worry about you?
Well, even if he did, he just has to get used to the fact that things happen. Life changes.
Usually when it's going perfectly, too. You're on track, everything's going to plan, and out of nowhere,
Then one day, out of nowhere,
usually when it's going perfectly, too. You're on track, everything's going to plan, and one day, out of nowhere, someone forgets to bolt the engines of the wing.
Thanks for distracting me.
It's not what I'm doing.
What are you doing?
My job.
keeping the focus on you and your father.
That's it. Keeping the focus on you and your father.
Why?
Part of my job.
You're not a shrink, are you?
Manager.
Okay, you better not say a hotel. Because that would have...
Giving you cause to buy another self-help. Really good.
So what do you do?
Well, government overthrows, flashy, high-profile assassinations. You know, usual.
Great. You're a spy. Should have known.
I'm not a spy.
A hitman.
I'm a lousy shot.
Do you work for the CIA?
Money's shit.
If I did, I couldn't say.
That's right. If I did, I couldn't say, could I? But no,
The mafia?
money's shit.
Okay, this is a little weird. Really. What do you do?
I already told you.
Okay, hey, sorry I asked. It's your own business as long as you're not planning on hijacking the plane or anything.
No, I'm not suicidal.
Well, that's good.
And you're right. And you're right. Most days it is my business. But right now, what my business is, but right now, that business is all about you.
About me.
That's right.
Look, I don't know where you're going with this.
Charles Keefe. One of your regular VIPs. Ring a bell?
No, should it?
Yes, it should. He's on his way to your hotel right now,
As we speak.
as we speak. And that's why you need to keep listening.
No, I don't have to do that.
You do if you want your dad to live.
What did you say?
You heard me. Suit yourself, but you might want to see this first. JR, Joe Reiser, your father. Yes,
Where did you get...
I didn't. My associate grabbed it off your dad's dresser next to your graduation photos. JR, definitely dad's wallet, his initials. But gee, mine too. Jack Ribner, license, credit cards. You tell the flight attendant your dad dies. Sit down.
Cut. Leave your name.